In just 1 year, starting from right now, you are going to learn everything there is needed to know about becoming a fully fledged witch. I'm going to arm you with all the skills and knowledge that is required so that you can fully embrace witchcraft as an expert practitioner. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live day to day as a true witch? To be a fountain of wisdom and knowledge and become an expert in your craft? To be able to identify crystals and herbs with ease and perform a wide range of spells to aid you in your day-to-day living? That's exactly what I'm going to teach you in this free weekly course, so that by this time next year, you will be equipped with a wide range of information so that you can build upon your craft and really develop yourself into the true witch that you want to become. One of the biggest misconceptions about witchcraft is that it is just all spells and potions, and that you have to be born with some sort of magical gift in order to practice it. But the truth is, witchcraft is just a skill that can be learned over time, much with like any other. And it's not just about casting spells and making magic happen. It's about cultivating a deeper connection with the world around you, and using that connection to improve your life and of those around you. Another common misconception is that witchcraft is only for a certain type of person, and that you need a certain level of experience to call yourself a real witch. But the truth is, there is no such thing as a real witch. If you believe in your heart that that's what you are and you practice it, then you're a witch. Whether you're 18 or 80, a complete beginner or a seasoned practitioner. One of the biggest challenges that I think a lot of witches face when they first start their journey is just becoming overwhelmed. There's so much information out there that, for me at least, it becomes very vague and confusing. Like, for example, I could ask a question about a herb in a Facebook group and get 20 different answers. I quite often see people on TikTok saying that their form of witchcraft is the only right way and everyone else is doing it the wrong way. Google is not much help either if you're unsure where to look, as there are thousands of individual interpretations about what a different herb or crystal represents, or different runes and symbols and what they mean. Have you had any positive or negative experiences online? Chat to me in the comments and I'd love to read your answers. Now, these platforms can be a wonderful resource if you know where and how to look, of course, but it can take a really long time and effort to really find what you're looking for. And so that is exactly why I've made this course for you. Each week we're going to be diving into a different topic to really give you that foundation from which to build your craft upon. One week we'll be exploring the history and the etymology of witchcraft, what it means to be a witch, the origins of witchcraft. Another week we'll be exploring herbology and how to use herbs and ingredients in your spell work. And we'll also be covering more important topics like the Wheel of the Year and the different festivals and how you can celebrate them. As you begin to explore the world of witchcraft, you'll realise that it's not just about doing magic. It's about cultivating qualities such as dedication, resilience and persistence, focus and self-discipline, and using those qualities to transform your life from the inside out. It's about connecting with nature and the world around you, and using that connection to fuel your personal and magical growth. At its core, witchcraft is about connecting with the natural world around us. It's about setting clear goals and working towards them, using your own magic to support and guide you along the way. One of the most powerful things about witchcraft is its ability to help you connect with your own inner strength and resilience. When you start to tap into the magic that's within you, you'll start to realise that you are so much more capable than you ever thought possible. You'll start to feel more confident, more self-assured, more grounded. You'll start to see magic in the everyday things, and you'll start to realise that anything can happen if you just believe and make it so. I would absolutely love for you to join me on my journey, and I can't wait to chat to you again. To ensure that you don't miss a thing, subscribe to Bramble Fairy, as next week will be the first video where we're really going to deep dive into what it means to be a witch. See you soon, and blessed be.